Dr. Cornelius Lamef from Bluu Seafood. Cornelius, you have the floor.
Yeah, thank you so much. And thank you for having us at this great pitch challenge. I would like to ask you if these fish fingers here in the picture could be the future of food. And the problem with the current fish industry is that we have big overfishing problems or animal cruelty with bycatch per year with 3 trillion of animals, or the pollution which is coming with the fish industry. So we need an alternative or solution in this case, and this can be cultivation. How does it work? So in a one-time process, so without GMO, we source fish samples, isolate stem cells, and establish a cell line. And then with this cell line and media consisting out of natural ingredients, we put them into a fermenter, so a bioreactor, and let the cells grow. So, and then we can harvest after a time a cell mass, and out of that we create fish fingers. Right now they are hybrid products, so part of it is real animal protein and the other part is plant-based proteins. So this technology works completely and has only, you can say, advantages. We talk from a win-win-win technology, so ethically correct, more efficient, more sustainable, healthier because it's no microplastic or heavy metals inside, and of course the same taste because it's not a compromise, it's a real fish. And this great team stands behind. We have a funding with 23 million euro, are based here in Hamburg, and we are 34 people, experts. 12 of them have a PhD in their discipline, and from 13 different nations. And we will start at the end of this year in Singapore with our first coming when we have the approval. So I can say the future, or if these fish fingers are the future, I can definitely see they will be the future because the technology and the stuff behind is too good.
Thank you. Thank you, Cornelius. Making our childhood dreams come true with new fish fingers. If I'd known this one.
Yes.
Wonderful. So now for the 2 minutes of jury questions. Yes, Lisa.
Thanks a lot for the presentation. I guess the obvious question is about the regulation and what market is currently open for that type of product, and how do you see the future as well, especially in the EU, which can be a bit more stringent, I think, in terms of opening the market for food for human.
Yeah, so concerning fish, we would be the pioneer in this case, the pioneer in Europe and the world. But cell-based cultivated chicken is already on the market. So they have regulatory approval in Singapore and the US, and we will follow these guys. So we will start in Singapore. The thing is, you can compare everything with the photovoltaic industry 40 years ago. So the technology is completely working. The challenge will be the scaling right now. But that will be a question of time and not the question of will it work? It will work. And yeah, so hopefully we will get the approval at the end of this year, otherwise at the beginning of next year in Singapore. And then European Union, that is always a big problem. They are a little bit lazy in this case, even if we are a German and European-based company. Hopefully we will have it in 3 years, but so we will focus now the Singapore market and the US market first.
Okay, we have one more question.
Yes, it's the end of fishing.
Sorry?
It's the end of fishing.
I wouldn't say that. Maybe the end of the convenient fish products like fish fingers, fish balls, and so on. I can't imagine that will be just a plus. So of course the human being will fish until the end of human being, but I think there will be the market is so big, and for these fish fingers, there would be a replacement quite good.
Wonderful. Well, thank you so much, Bluu Seafood. Everyone, round of applause, please.